How to log out Outlook account. First of all, open any web browser on your device. You can also open the Outlook application on your mobile devices. Now click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in outlook.com. Press enter on the keyboard once you're done with entering the URL and make sure to log in or sign in to the particular account on Outlook. Once you're on the official home screen of Outlook, click on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu box appears on your screen where you can see the Sign Out button. Simply click on Sign Out and then a new interface opens on your screen when you wait for a while. So as you can see that we have been notified that we have successfully signed out. If you wish to sign in back into your Outlook, you can click Sign In button, enter all your credentials and sign back into your Outlook. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.